Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to shoot my friend's Golf 7R. It's a bit different than usual. Usually we have some rusty old E36, but now we have like a very clean, modern, very fast car. It's got 300 horsepower, so that's how much more than mine? 130 more, so it's quite fast. DSG, new intake. We're gonna make some videos, we're gonna make some photos of the car. We got some different locations we're gonna try out, and even a night shot, so that's something new I wanna try, see if it works, and if it doesn't work, you're probably never gonna see it. So let's make some videos and photos.
Give a fuck, that's about how they feel, that's my move. My life in the tree, that shit looking vibrant. The product they know I'm fly inside it. Now much to say about the product goddess. Go ahead and let them decide about me. State of mind that I require. Bent off of sips of elixir. Bankroll need them commas and digits. My mannered, I'm honest intended. Lay low, not too much for attention. But Ben has shit poppin', I mentioned. The ship in this life, I'm offended.
We're gonna film some onboard action with the Golf. We found a nice twisty road. He can really stretch his legs, so we're gonna do that. I'll take off the camera. until it was dark. So now we're gonna film some night shot with the cars, as it has a lot of ambient light things. You can see the gauges look very nice when it's dark. So we're gonna try to shoot that. I don't know if the camera will pick it up because we have like a 4 f-stop lens, so it can go very open. So we'll see how many light it will let in.
This life is sweet, my mood is sour. Fuck what you think you could get a rose and sniff. I'm woke as shit, these niggas fake, so switch to switch, excuse all the temperament. You kick out your nigga riding phantom, it's not a phantom, she ride it 10, but now I'm sure. No 13, you fucking with the kid, yeah, I'm on something. Got no kind of chill, lately I don't even feel shit.
We just finished up the night shots, that were the last shots from the day. So now my friend offered me to drive his Golf R. So I'm gonna put up the GoPro and you can see what I'm seeing when driving this car. Let's have fun. So as I'm editing the video, I finished the part in the daylight, which was pretty nice. We got some cool shots, we did some color correction over it, so it looks a bit nicer, a bit darker. But now we got a real problem. The night shots, my lens can only go open to like 4.0. So there is just a limiting amount of light I can get in, and when it's dark there isn't many light. So we tried a spot where there was lights coming from above, but it wasn't very much. So I'm gonna try with color grading to get it lighter without ruining the shot. We took more shots in the dark, so I really want this to work, but it's my first time trying in the dark, so I'm gonna see if it works, and if it doesn't, it's a bummer, but I had to try it. As you can see, right now I'm editing the photos we took during the shoot. Some of them are like for the thumbnail, for the making of. These are for Instagram. And we got like some more. This one. This one. I really like this one. I don't know if there's a bit of color missing, but right now I dig it because the dark car and the dark moody background, I really like it. I think I'm gonna use this one for the thumbnail for the cinematic video. This was a really fun project because I got to take my friend's car out and enjoy the car. It's something really different than what I'm used to, and this is some new technology. It drives fantastic, it's pretty fast, so I'm sure I'm gonna take some more friends' cars out. That will be fun, maybe more at the same time, so we can have like rolling shots or something. That would be really fun. I'm gonna try to make that happen. Also, I'm gonna try to include some friends with E36s, so yeah, because that's what I love the most. I hope you guys enjoyed this making of and the cinematic video we did of the Golf. It's my first real cinematic video, so I hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun to do. It was a lot of work, but yeah, if it's fun, it doesn't really matter. Give the video a thumbs up, comment, that really helps, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!